Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to block websites on Chrome using your PC. Whether you want to limit distractions or enforce parental controls, blocking certain sites can be a helpful tool. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your Google Chrome browser on your desktop. And then in the upper right corner, you will see 3 vertical dots. Click it. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down a little bit until you find Extensions. Click Extensions, and then 2 options will appear. One is the Manage Extensions and the other one is Visit the Chrome Web Store. Click on the Visit the Chrome Web Store. After doing so, you will be redirected in the Chrome Web Store. Now look on the upper left of your screen. You will see a search box there. Click it and type block site and hit enter. You will see plenty of extensions here, but we will click this one. After that, you will be taken to the overview of the chosen app. Click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear. Read it and then tap Add Extension and the installation process will start. Once you've done that, you will be redirected on Block Site's homepage. Now find and click Skip. And then at the bottom of your browser, you can see Skip again. Click it. Now you will see a permission to access information, where they will ask if they will block adult sites on your browser. Click Agree. You can remove them later if you wanted to. As you can see, this is the page where you will block any sites that you want. We agreed on the permission earlier, so you can see here that adult contents is already blocked. Now if you want to add more, click Add to Block List. You can scroll down to find sites to block or just search the site that you wanted to be blocked specifically. In this tutorial, I will type in YouTube. Now we can see YouTube here. Click the plus button and then hit done. Now we will try if it's working. So it worked. We can no longer access YouTube on Google Chrome. You can also unblock it by going back to the block site page. In the blocked item section, you will see a trash can button here. Click it to remove it from your blocked list. Now let's try going to YouTube again. It is now accessible. We can also block sites easily by clicking the puzzle piece icon on the upper right of your browser. After clicking it, the extensions on your Chrome will appear. Find Block Site and click Pin. It will appear on your pinned extensions. Now you can easily block sites that you visited. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to block websites on Chrome using your PC. This can be a useful feature for improving productivity or managing internet access. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask. Happy browsing!